If the background remover in Canva isn't working properly, like it misses parts, looks messy, or just fails, yeah, let's fix that fast. First, check your image quality. Blurry or low-resolution images confuse the background remover. Try applying it again. Sometimes a second pass gives better results. Fine-tune it manually. Clean up edges using erase and restore options. Improve subject detection. Increase contrast so Canva can separate subject from background. Busy backgrounds cause problems. Images with clear subjects work best. Quick fix, reload the page. Sometimes the tool glitches temporarily. Switch formats if needed. Upload a PNG or higher quality version. Make sure everything is updated. Older versions can cause tool errors. Still not working? Try another method. Remove the background manually or re-upload and try again. So, use better images. Refine with erase tools, adjust contrast, and reload if needed. That's how you fix Canva background remover issues quickly.